Hi, welcome to the course on data science by Route Fabric, and today we're going to be looking at what is data science. Throughout the data science course, we will be learning statistics and probability and machine learning algorithms. In today's video, we'll be learning what is data science and what is it made up of. Data science is a combination of three majors, so let us look at what each major is. First up, we have computer science and IT. Next, we have math and statistics. When you combine computer science and maths and statistics, you get machine learning. When you combine computer science and business knowledge, you get software development. When you combine business knowledge, maths, and statistics, you get traditional research. When you combine all these three fields, computer science, maths, and statistics, and business knowledge, you get data science. What is the need for data science, and why is this creating such an uproar? We are currently in the fourth greatest revolution, which is the artificial intelligence, and we have an abundance of data. When we have this much data, we got to do something about data. The fundamental goal of companies is to make smart decisions to either sell their products and to make a profit. Companies need to use this data to run and grow their everyday business. For example, when you're browsing through Amazon and you search up a gaming mouse, after a couple of minutes, you can see an advertisement in Google or a YouTube ad for a gaming mouse. In this way, companies are using your data of you browsing through Amazon or browsing through any kind of social or marketplaces, and they're suggesting you recommendations so that they can gain a profit. Now let us look at the three different occupations that come with data science. You can be a data scientist, a data engineer, or a finance and risk analytics manager. To be a data scientist, you need to have the following key skills. You need to be good in Python or R. You need to have some machine learning and Apache Hadoop skills. Data scientists do get a high pay job in pattern recognition and database schematics and quantitative analysis. A data scientist is usually responsible to doing data explorative analysis of what the data is and what the data is doing. Unlike data scientists, data engineers need to have a strong background in Python and big data. They are responsible in creating predictive models. They use whatever information data scientist is able to gather and do a prediction based on the data that they clean and did data explorative analysis on. Lastly, we have finance and risk analytics manager. These are mostly what you consider a front end or a project manager type of occupation. They do a lot in project management and risk management, and they need to have a really good skill in database management, which is SQL. A finance and risk analytics manager basically create presentations to tell what the companies need to do to gain a good amount of profit or to avoid a huge amount of risk. Next up, we have the life cycle in data science on how you tackle a data science problem. So first, we need to see what the problem is. We need to know what we need to do exploration on. So if you can see on the image, we can see that things we know are the facts, and things we know but we are not sure are questions. And things we don't know but we kind of know are intuitions, and if you don't know anything, we're about to do exploration. And that's where data science comes. After you have a target problem, then you got to do data collection. Data collection is a process where you collect population data about your target problem. After that, we're going to check the quality and integrity of the data and do some pre-processing of the data. This is cleaning of the data. We're going to look at all these each steps in the videos coming forward. Next up, we have exploratory data analysis. This is where after the data is quality checked, cleaned, and cleansed with all the features, you're going to see what the data presents. What kind of trends does the data present? Next up, we have data modeling. Data modeling is where we create a predictive model to see what the data can predict and how good is the prediction going to be on the data. Next up, we got to communicate. Whatever the data tells us, we translate it by after we get the data modeling and we translate it to our bosses and clients so that they understand what the data actually means. I hope that was informative. To watch more on data science, please visit routefabric.com. Thank you and have a nice day.